Have you ever been sick but didn't know how to explain it in English?
Don't worry, we've all been there.
Today, we'll help you learn exactly what to say at the doctor's office, step by step.
Simple, slow, and easy to follow. Perfect for beginners.
Welcome to the Naya English channel, where learning English feels bright and simple. Hello, everyone.
And I'm Mark. Welcome back to our daily English podcast.
In this episode, we'll visit the doctor together.
You'll learn how to make an appointment, describe how you feel, and understand what the doctor says.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be ready to visit a doctor in English. Mark, you don't look so good today. Are you okay?
Not really. My throat hurts and I feel a little hot.
Oh no, maybe you have a fever.
Yeah, maybe I should see a doctor.
That's a great idea. Let's practice what to say when you visit a doctor.
Okay, I'll call the clinic.
Good morning, City Health Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please.
Of course. What's your name?
My name is Mark.
What's the problem?
I have a sore throat and a small fever.
Okay. Can you come at 2 o'clock today?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Perfect. That's exactly how to make an appointment in English. Now, Mark arrives at the doctor's office.
Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Mark.
Thank you. Please sit down. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
You wait in the waiting room, maybe check your phone or read a magazine.
Exactly. I always feel nervous before seeing the doctor.
That's normal.
Meeting the doctor. Hello, Mark. How are you today?
Not so good, doctor. My throat hurts.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel hot.
Okay, let me check your temperature. You have a small fever. Open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah,
Your throat is red. You probably have a cold.
what should I do?
Drink warm tea, rest, and take this medicine twice a day.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Mini conversation. Headache.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, doctor. I have a terrible headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday, I can't sleep.
You might be stressed. Try to rest, drink water, and avoid screens.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Come back if it continues.
In the next part, we'll talk about more real conversations, stomach ache, back pain, and even how to describe a cough. Don't miss it.
Mini conversation. Stomachache, child.
Good afternoon, doctor. My son's tummy hurts.
When did it start?
After lunch, I ate too much pizza.
Ah, I see. Drink water and rest, okay?
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. No more pizza tonight.
Okay.
Mini conversation. Back pain.
Hello, doctor. My back hurts when I sit for too long.
Do you work at a desk?
Yes, all day.
Try to stand every 30 minutes. Stretch your arms.
I'll try that. Thank you.
Good. Also, check your chair. It should support your back.
Mini conversation. Eye pain.
What brings you in today?
My eyes hurt when I look at my computer.
That's common. You might have dry eyes. Take short breaks and use eye drops twice a day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Your eyes will feel better soon.
Mini conversation. Cough and cold.
Good morning. How can I help?
I've been coughing for 3 days.
Any fever?
No.
Okay, just a cold. Drink warm water, rest, and try lemon tea with honey.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Stay warm. Vocabulary review.
Let's review what we learned today.
Sore throat.
when your throat hurts.
Headache, when your head hurts.
Stomach ache, pain in your tummy.
Fever, when your body is hot.
Appointment, time to meet the doctor.
Prescription, paper for medicine.
Pharmacy, medicine store.
Rest, to relax and sleep.
Eye drops, medicine for your eyes.
And cough, when you make a sound like cough, cough.
Great job.
Practice. Repeat after us.
I need to see the doctor, please.
I have an appointment at 2 o'clock.
My head hurts.
My throat feels dry.
Can I have some medicine, please?
Thank you, doctor.
Well done. You sound amazing.
Learning English for health is so useful. You never know when you'll need it.
Exactly. Listen again tomorrow and practice with a friend.
If you liked this episode, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
And share it with your friends. Speaking English gets easier when we learn together.
This is the NIA English Channel, where learning English feels bright and simple. See you next time.